What's up? This is Donovan Green from chairworkouts.com. If you have not done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Also, head on over to Chair Workouts and become a member today. Your support will help me to keep these videos going. I really appreciate all of you for subscribing to the channel. Don't forget, click that notification bell as well so you can get notified every single time I'm uploading a brand new video, okay? You ready? I want you to grab your dumbbells, grab your chair. We're gonna get ready to work. We're gonna go right away. I'm not gonna have any mercy on any one of you because I'm not here to do that. I'm here to kick your butt, make you sweat, make you love to hate me, and hate to love me. How about that one? All right, let's get ready. First, before we even go, make sure your chair is sturdy. No wheels allowed, and I don't want to see any wobbly happening to your chair, okay? Now I said that, let's move on to the workout. All right, scoot to the edge of that chair, arms out to the front, and let's go. Push out. Inhale, exhale, big strong breath. We're here to work. We're not here to waste time. Let's go. Come on, lift your chest up, pull the shoulders back. Do not slouch. It's too early to slouch. Inhale and exhale. Come on, we have 15 seconds at least. Make your hands like this. We're gonna throw some punches, all right? When I extend the left out, I'm gonna punch with the right. Here we go. And opposite side. So now you're punching opposite side. When the right goes out, you're punching with the left. Got it? Got it. Come on, lift your chest up. Pull those abs in nice and tight. Big inhale, big exhale. We're gonna do step overs next. I want you to imagine that you have something in front of you make it as high as you wanna make it, and you're gonna step over it back and forth, okay? We're gonna do that in about 10 seconds. Woo! 3, 2, 1. So now, here we go. Up and over, up and over. Get over it. Grab your legs and pick those legs up if you have to. Make it as high as you want. Maybe it's low. I don't know. Make it low, but don't go through it. Go over it. That's what I'm talking about. We're looking good. This is working that inner thigh and the outer thigh. Use your intensity. When you hear me out of breath, I'm really out of breath. I'm not acting, trust me, because I'm not here to baby myself either. I'm going high intensity. I'm moving those legs. I'm going to help myself up and over. You see it? When it gets tiring, help yourself up and over. Don't stop. Come on. Keep on pushing. Yes, there it is. A little bit of pain ain't gonna hurt nobody. Well, that's not true. It's hurting me right now. Okay. Here we go. You got 10, 9, 8. Come on. 7. Get them up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, see the jacks in and out. That's gonna be killer work right there in those inner thighs because we're not stopping the burn. Woo! Come on, baby, come on. Let's go, D. Come on, D. Come on, Donovan, you can do this. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. We're gonna count from 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! Grab those dumbbells. Woo-hoo. Put them right here in that thigh, on those knees, and let's march. Now, as you're marching, remember, you're not using your hands to lift the weights. Your legs is lifting the weights. What you're doing is the hands is only holding the weights so they don't fall, okay? That's all you're doing. Hold the weights in place, but your legs is doing the rest of the work. Come on, we got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Weights out to the side, or should I say in the middle? Legs out to the side. We're going to sit up for 1. Look forward. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. 5. That's it. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Come on, we got 10 more. 1. You can do this. Come on. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. We got arm curls coming up. 9 to a front raise. And 10. Now curl and lift. Take your time here. Feel the control. Tighten those muscles up. Do not just do the movement. Contract means to squeeze that muscle. Squeeze right here and come to the top and squeeze right here. Got it? Let's go. And don't forget, I always say it, move at your own pace. If you're not moving at your own pace, then you're trying to move at my pace. Move at your own pace. Make the workout your own. Keep your stomach tighter. I don't know why your stomach is always relaxing. Tighten those abs up. That's better. Come on. That's it. Come on, keep on pushing. We got it. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's what I'm talking about. Put one weight down, feet together. Let's go to some side bends going up. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the stomach in. 6. Pull the shoulders back. 7. Come on. 8. Yeah. 9. Come on, baby. 10. Don't stop. 1. Pull those abs in tight. 2, 3. You got it. 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9, and 10. Let's go to the next side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm watching you. 5. I'm watching you. 6. Come on, let's go. 7. No excuses. 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's what I'm talking about. You're looking good. Now let's do some pass-throughs and double unders. We're going to go 1 into a figure 8, 2 into a figure 8, and just like that. You got it? Let's go. You've probably seen this in other exercises, other videos. Then guess what? If you've done it, then you know you're no stranger to this. But if you're a stranger to this, take your time, all right? Don't rush. Don't rush. Slow it up until you get used to it. You're making a number 8. Chest is up, stomach tight. Let's go. Come on. Let's push. Everybody's trying to get ready. Oh, summertime. I want to be sexy for summertime. What? Workout has no seasons. None. This is lifelong. You push yourself all the way through until you're no longer able to push yourself. That's when you're dead. Okay, you got that? But you're alive right now, so give me the flow. Now I'm going to go nonstop. No pausing in between. It's just a consistent flow now. If you drop the weight, that's okay. Pick it back up. Same thing with me. If I drop it, I'm going to pick it back up. Let's go. Come on, push. Woo. Oh, yeah. You're looking good. Don't stop. Put a smile on your face. Smile your way through the pain, baby. Woo. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. Don't stop, though. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Grab the other dumbbell. We're going to do a curl to a front raise, okay? We're going to go from one side to the next. We're going to go 1, down, up, and across. 2, here, double cross. 3, here, up and across. Curl with the weight that's on the outside and lift to the front with the weight on the inside. It's a brain thing. All right, here we go. I'm going to go to my tempo now. Whew. Big, strong breaths in. Inhale, exhale. Don't get frustrated if you can't get it. Just keep on doing something. Keep on moving until you get the actual pattern. There it is. Come on. Let's go. Come on. We're almost home already. Whew. Big, strong breaths in, strong breaths out. Whew. Pop, boom. Woo. There it is. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Pull those abs in tight. Curl to the front, curl in front. One arm is doing another, while the other arm is doing the other. What did I just say? I don't care. Let's go, baby. Come on, let's go. You got this. You got this. Whew. Keep it up. You're almost home already. We're almost there. But you're not quite there yet. Not yet. Give me some more. Give me some more. 2 and 1. Get out of here, weights. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. A nice quick workout. In and out. 1, 2, 3. You don't need a lot of time. You don't need to focus on a lot of exercise equipment. I mean, I love equipment. I have my whole gym set up behind me and in front of me and all over the place, right? But a chair, some dumbbells, your resistance bands, that's all you need, guaranteed. You're going to see the results as long as you stay committed to yourself and stop committing yourself to other nonsense out there. I'm guaranteeing you, you're going to see it, you're going to feel it, you're going to know it because you begin to believe in yourself. Got it? So this is Donovan Green from chairworkouts.com telling you that your body is just a body until you make it a temple. Leave your comments and I'll see you next time. Peace.